Hello all, this is Damini, co-founder of VMX Scholars. I welcome you to the 16th episode of our web series Loanflix Season 2. So those who are new to this channel, let me tell you, Loanflix is a web series which covers each and every detail of an abroad education loan, right from the process, eligibility, loan disbursement, loan repayment, each and everything. Yeah, and Loanflix is an initiative of VMX Scholars. VMX Scholars is an organization which is funded and supported by the Ministry of IT, Government of India, and its sole purpose is to help students like you get funds for your abroad studies. Yeah, and let me make it very clear, all the services of VMX Scholars are completely free of cost. Yeah, so this video is specifically for those who are looking to pursue their masters in the US. Yeah, so until a few years ago it was very unheard of that someone gets admission into an MS in the US without writing a GRE. Yeah, but now, last year especially due to the pandemic, many students were stopped from writing this exam. Hence, many universities waived off the GRE requirement. But when it comes to unsecured lenders in India, especially the NBFCs, non-banking financial corporations, GRE is of prime importance. Yeah, so NBFCs had been using GRE as the primary screening factor, and they use this to predict your future employability, and that's how they decide how much of an unsecured loan you are worthy of. Yeah, so without GRE, it becomes very difficult for them to analyze your profile and your worthiness. So that's why, I'm not sure how many of you who are watching this video might be aware of this issue, but I'm sure those who have approached NBFCs would know that how hard it can be to get an education loan without a GRE score. So in this video today, we are going to discuss what are the alternates available to GRE which you can present to the NBFC to get an education loan with decent interest rate and terms. Yeah, so let's start this session, but before that, if you appreciate the effort we put in to bring this information out to you, then please subscribe to our channel and click on that bell icon to get regular updates. Let's begin. So when you approach NBFCs for an unsecured loan without GRE, the first thing you would notice is that the ROI quoted to you, the interest rate quoted to you, will be 0.5 to 1% higher than what is quoted to a friend of yours who is going to the same university, same program, but has written GRE. Yeah, or it may also happen that the NBFCs totally deny you a loan but approve your friend's loan with the same profile but with GRE. Yeah, so this is the first challenge, first and foremost challenge which we faced. The second one is that NBFCs have this provision of issuing pre-sanction letter. So now this pre-sanction letter is given primarily to students who are going to the US, but this is given even before you have secured admission. So the amount and ROI is purely based on your GRE score. Now students who haven't written GRE, it becomes difficult to get them the sanction letter. Now this pre-sanction letter is actually very useful thing because it helps you getting the I-20 from multiple universities by showing the same sanction letter, because this pre-sanction will not have a university name. So it was actually a very useful thing, but without GRE, it is not possible. Now we had tried solving both of these challenges. We had been successfully able to solve the first one, which is the discrimination against those who haven't written GRE on the basis of terms, ROI and all those things. But the second one, which is the pre-sanction letter, is still yet to be solved, so probably I'll make a video on that anytime soon. So now let us talk about how we had been able to get a fair deal for those who haven't written GRE. So I made a video about 2 months ago about Elite Scholars Club, which is a community of students going to the top-notch universities in the US for their masters or MBA. So this community is actually an initiative of VMX Scholars, and by being a part of this community, what you get is the best unsecured education loan possible for your profile from Indian lenders. So by best, we mean the highest unsecured amount at the lowest possible ROI with a bunch of other privileges. Yeah, so this is a wonderful initiative and very useful for students who are going to the top universities in the US. But the only catch here was that even if your university qualifies to be in the list of elite scholars, you will still not be able to avail the benefits until unless you have a GRE score of minimum 305. So after I published this video 2 months ago, a lot of students emailed us sharing the proofs that their universities have waived off the GRE requirement, and Elite Scholars Loan is the best possible option they've got. So they wanted us to waive off the requirement of GRE even for this loan, right? So we literally had to work with various financial institutions for this. I'm not sure if you guys know that Elite Scholars actually, analyzes your profile for the best terms and rates which are available in the Indian market. So it actually uses artificial intelligence and machine learning, wherein it matches the student profiles with the various credit profiling models of different financial institutions available, and eventually gives you an offer instantly. Yeah, so we had to work out with all of these financial institutions to come up with a solution which is alternate to GRE, which they can accept, right? So here is the solution. So now you qualify for Elite Scholars Club even if you do not have a GRE score, but you would need to have minimum 75% in your 12th as well as in graduation. So which means either a GRE score of 305 or 75% in 12th or graduation qualifies you for Elite Scholars Club, which means you will be able to get an unsecured loan in the range of 45 lakhs to 75 lakhs with an average of 60 lakhs, and an ROI of 11 to 11.5% and a processing fee of 0.75 to 1%. And on top of that, you need to pay a partial interest of just 2,000 rupees a month during your course duration plus 1 year. Yeah, so Elite Scholars has this wonderful features of a loan product, but in addition to that, it also has a lot of special privileges like a free US credit card, a free travel insurance, a free forex card, free scholarship alerts, and premium education loan support. So I guess you can know more about it by watching the detailed video which I did on Elite Scholars, which is linked above, or you can check out the website, which is www.elitescholars.club. So similar to Elite Scholars, we have also taken approval from other NBFCs regarding no GRE, which means irrespective of whether you have written a GRE exam or not, your terms and rates is gonna be the same. Approval is primarily for the top 200 universities in the US, but it can also be negotiated for other universities on a case-by-case basis. Now, if you're applying to one of these top 200 US universities and taking a loan from these NBFCs via VMake Scholars, you will be able to get an amount in the range of 50 to 60 lakhs unsecured at an interest rate of 11.25 to 11.75% max, and the processing fee will be in the range of 0.8 to 1% maximum. But if you go to these NBFCs directly, the processing fee will be minimum 1%. It won't go below that. Another advantage of applying to these NBFCs via VMake Scholars is that even if your co-applicant profile is not that great financially, it can still be considered. Your co-applicant could be salaried, or it could be self-employed professional, self-employed businessman, agriculturist, anything it may be, it can be considered. Yeah. So that's it for this video. I hope now you are relieved that, even if you haven't written GRE, you'll still be able to get an unsecured loan at the terms, at the interest rate which is being offered to other students who have written GRE. Yeah. So if you have any questions or doubts on the information which I discussed in this video, then please feel free to put it in the comments below, and I'll definitely get back to each one of you. So even if you're not going to one of these top 200 universities in the US or going to another country itself, it is still beneficial for you to apply for your loan via VMake Scholars, because firstly, VMake Scholars is a free service, so it doesn't charge you even a single penny for all the help it provides. Secondly, VMake Scholars is funded and supported by the Ministry of IT, Government of India, so there shouldn't be any trust issues. Thirdly, which is the most important thing, is that you have many amazing benefits for applying for your loan via VMake Scholars, which includes 0.5% reduction in your rate of interest from any of the NBFCs or private lenders, and you get a cashback of up to 3,000 rupees for any bank or NBFC you apply to via VMake Scholars. Yeah, so to start your loan application with VMake Scholars, you can request a call back using the link which is mentioned above. That's it. Please subscribe to our channel and click on that bell icon if you want to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Please like and share this video with your friends and colleagues who might be looking out to study in the US. That's it. Stay tuned for my next video. See you then. Bye.
Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss any updates from us.